We literally built a curriculum that's going through the schools, K through 12 next year, and it's online for all of you called the RBCs to teach us the RBCs. Real estate, business, and credit. I'm not talking about a guru wholesale program. A guru, come flip this house. I ain't talking about that. I'm going to be in your city this weekend showing you my 4-step formula. I ain't talking about that. That's knowledge too, though. It's still knowledge. But I'm talking about comprehensive knowledge. I'm talking about pulling it all together and making it make sense and making it plain. What I'm saying to us, to our people, this is what I'm saying, is that, I need this page back real quick, please. Oh, no, not Niles' page. What I'm saying to us, this is what I figured out. This is why your brother came, your brother from New Jersey, who currently lives in Atlanta, flew his whole team out here for free. For free. Nobody financially sponsored this but us. Why this means so much to me, because, listen, I came through the trenches. Rikers Island, Mod 3 Upper, C-74, facing 3 years of life in prison, 18 years old. First time I spent a week with my dad. First time ever in my life spent a week with my dad. We was cooking up crack in Nebraska. I've been through the trenches. And then outside of the streets, even in business. Made millions by 28. Was blowing money fast on new shiny things. Gambling, I'm at the big boy table, gambling, 500 a chip, feeling myself, blowing money fast. Spin it, I'm gonna get it right back. I'm making over 130 a month. Ain't gonna never go away till it went away. I had everything that the rap video showed. Blew it all, went bankrupt, depressed, at home, crying, grown-ass man, crying. Literally. Humbled, depressed. How I mess up 3.3 mil? What? Yo, how dumb do you gotta be to mess up? How I do that? And then mind you, I'm three-time felon. So I got into real estate, came up millions in a matter of years. For a dope boy, you like, yo, I made it, I'm out here. Now I'm knocked back off my feet. Straight crushed me. That humbled me. That drove me to my purpose. And then God was like, yo, it ain't about you. It's not about you. I didn't give you all them gifts and talents for you to be out to be about you. I built you up and gave you this testimony to be about them. Found my purpose, regrouped, got my swag back with my feet up under me.